Assalamu alaikum. I hope I'm audible. And also, I hope that all of you are fine and also a little bit busy with your assignments. And you should be busy a little bit, right? Because all of you want to do good in exams and also good in weekly test. Because your first weekly test somehow was not that expected, but now, inshallah, it will be, right? Okay. So, the questions I found in my phone most of the times, that is how to write MCQ. Yeah, that is the greatest question, but yes, I told and explained that is a lot of time in your first assignment, but no problem if you are not clear. So the first thing you have to see how to write MCQ in the exam. Assignment. How to write MCQ in assignment. So, oh my god. I hope you guys looking that. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. How to write MCQ in assignment. So let me show you how to write. You can use blue pen to write questions. Okay. The blue pens I have right now is this one only, I guess. So suppose you're answering number 1 from here. So which one of the following value of BAC? So don't write direct this one and write answer, because that is not the way to answer anything, right? So if you're writing MCQ in copy rather than OMS sheet or MCQ sheet, so first of all, you should draw this figure, okay? So draw this figure and then answer the questions, and you no need to write the options. I hope I'm not sounding sick the way Salman told me last time that my sound was a little bit weird. I want to clear that my sound is always like this, and I guess you all know that, right? Okay. But yes, don't draw freehand. This is not my assignment, so I'm drawing it freehand, but you can't draw it freehand, okay? So, and also write the informations given here. That means you have to write the stem and then go to number 1. Write the question. Which one of the following is the value of BAC? So which one of the following is the la, okay? So BAC. And then write the answer that BAC is equals to, so BAC. So you have to answer it from here, right? So you have to find all other informations given here, and then you have to solve this. So what is given here? AB and CE are parallel, okay? And CE is bisector of ACD. That means if this is 60 degree, then this one is also 60 degree, right? And then 120 degrees, what is left? It is also 60 degree. And this is not important, right? Because these two lines are parallel and this is transversal. So BAC is 60 degree. And in the answer, you can directly write it's 60 degree. But in that case, don't write all more explanation here. Just show in the figure that how you found all these things. Okay, the way I did it here. And then number 2, write question. So write question here. And then find ACD. ACD. So ACD. So their explanation is ACE plus ECD. So 60 degree plus 60 degree. It is 120 degree. This is the answer. And you have to write all the MCQ like this. Okay. That means don't start with which of the following is the value of BAC, because if there is no figure, then how I will understand which one was BAC or DAC, okay? So this is how you will write MCQ. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. And now let's go to the leftover maths in 9.2. So first of all, there is a correction. Okay, let me change the page. So the correction is, in question number 10, it is written that in ABC triangle, angle ABC is greater than ACB, D is the midpoint of BC, and there is no further question and nothing to prove. So this is actually a printing mistake, because this 10 number is having this leftover maths. Okay, so all this A, B, C question will be here. A, B, C. Did you get that? This is the stem of this CQ. And 11, 12, 13, all are single questions. They are not related to all these three questions. Okay? So let's solve number 10. So in number 10, you know what is particular enunciation and general enunciation. So particular enunciation given here, so general enunciation is not needed. So number 10, first we have to draw the figure. And I'm very sorry, I don't have a good pencil, I mean darker pencil, because I'm not drawing geometrical figure for a long time. But I hope it is visible. So let's start. If ABC is a triangle, okay, so the thing is, now we will see how to find midpoint of any line. Okay, so please focus here. So this is ABC triangle. Okay, and it is said that ABC is greater than ACB. That means this is greater. Okay, we are not using that for now. D is the midpoint of BC. So now I'll show you how to find midpoint of any line. Okay, so make sure that your compass is right. These both are equal. This is tight, and also this portion is tight. And if it is not tight, then use screwdriver to make it tight. Okay, so take radius more than half. Okay, so take radius more than half and draw arch here. Okay, and the same radius, and draw same thing from this side as well. Okay, is it clear? So take more radius more than half, otherwise it will not intersect here. Get that? If you take it is less than half, it will never intersect. It will be here, it will be here. Get that? So you should always take more than half, and then it will intersect. Then we have to join the points. Okay, so see, oh, can you see this? So this is the midpoint D of BC. Okay, is it clear? So in question number 10, okay, in ABC, this is the midpoint of BC. And as I told you earlier, ABC is question for this stem. So in A, it is written that draw the figure on the basis of the, this is not 4, of the information. So this is the figure, okay, from the on the basis of information, and you don't need to write more things rather than the question it is given here that D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so the figure is D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so we are done with A. Now we will start B. So it is said that show that AC is greater than AB, and you can see that D is not needed here. So the thing you can do, if you're writing this theorem in the same page, you don't need to draw the figure again, but it is better to draw the figure again, okay? And also, this is not required that the figure should be accurate or exactly same, but it is better. Okay. And then you will write according to theorem 2. So the B is completely the copy of theorem 2. I hope you can do this yourself. Okay. And now number C. It is said that proof that AB plus AC is greater than 2AD. So this is a little bit new thing, and I'm not sure I can complete it here or not. So I was thinking we'll do it here or somewhere else. Okay, no problem. Let's do it here. Okay. So let's draw the figure ABC. And suppose this is the midpoint, okay? D, A, B, C. And then ACB is greater than, okay. Okay, to prove, we have to add some construction here. But before construction, you have to write particular enunciation. Write that, okay? First, you have to write in ABC, and we have to prove that this one. I hope I don't need to write that, right? Okay, so after particular enunciation, you have to write construction. So see what we have to write in construction. We have to write join AD point and extend up to E such that, let me do that first. Okay, and then such that DA is equals to DE, such that AD is equals to DE. Okay, so first we have to join AD, and then we have to extend that line up to E, and then it will be equal to this line. So, you know, AD is equals to DE. Okay, and then the next thing, connect points C and E. Oh my god, I cannot complete the proof here. How pathetic. Okay, so I connected C and E. So now next thing is proof. Okay, so proof step number 1 is we will compare these two triangle. Okay, so in triangle ABD and triangle CDE, so according to our construction, AD is equals to DE, right? So AD is equals to DE according to construction. Okay, and look, BD is equals to CD. Okay, because D is midpoint. And what is the meaning of midpoint? Midpoint means a point that is creating two equal parts of a side, right? So BD is equals to CD because D is midpoint of BC or CB. Okay, and the next thing, this angle is equals to this angle. Okay, so angle ADB is equals to angle CDE because they are vertically opposite angle. So look, in chapter 10 you will learn about this, and this question is actually from I mean using the basic of chapter 10. That is, if two sides are equal and one angle is equal, then we can say this triangle is congruent to this angle. You know what is congruent? Congruent means this angle is exactly same to this angle. Okay, sorry, this triangle is exactly same to this triangle. So the triangle ABD is exactly same, or how to read this? Congruent. So triangle ABD is congruent to this triangle, triangle CDE. Okay, so then we will show if this line and this line is equal according to the construction. This line and this line is equals to the condition given that D is the midpoint of BC, and if this angle and this one is same, then this is very definite that this line and this line will be also same. So AB is equals to CE. Okay. Now where I will write step 2. I'm very sorry that I couldn't complete it here. And do you want me to write that again? I shouldn't have do this. Okay, because I don't want to change the page, and also I don't want to repeat that figure. Okay, I'm very sorry. I'm writing it here. Step 2. So step 2, we will consider these two triangles together. That means ACE triangle. Okay, so triangle ACE. Do you remember what was that theorem 4? I guess the sum of the length of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So we can consider AC plus CE is greater than DE. Okay, according to theorem 4. So AC plus CE is greater than AE. I hope you understood this, right? AC is plus CE is greater than AE. This is theorem 4, and you have to write that statement here. Theorem 4. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, then what we have to prove? I forgot. We have to prove AB plus AC. So AC is already there. Okay, so from step 1 we got CE is equals to AB, right? So from step 1 we can replace CE by AB. So AC plus AB is greater than, and see, AE is this line, right? And we can write AD plus DE, isn't it? Because the whole line is AE, and we can write that in parts, that AD plus DE. So AD plus DE. Okay, and then AC plus AB is greater than, and see, AD and DE is equal, right, according to construction, because we drew it like that, that we will draw this portion according to the length of this portion. So AD plus AD, that means instead of DE you can write AD here, and then finally AC plus AB is greater than 2AD. And I hope you know this, that AD plus AD is 2AD. You studied that in your algebra, right? That x plus x is twice x. Similarly, AD plus AD is 2AD. So this is the proof for 10. Okay, I hope this is clear to you, and if you're still not clear, then we will meet in the school. Okay, so this is a CQ in the book. Which word is mistakenly was not CQ? Okay, I hope you understood this.